My beautiful and amazing people, hey, make una pray for Regina Daniel. Water, e don pass garri. Hey, matter when they talk say make mama and papa no hear. The truth talk am say if the matter enter market, na market women go later come back house, come call mama and papa say make dem come o, e don dey sup for market square. No wonder yesterday, wey be on the 5th of June 2026, Papa Regina Daniel celebrated his birthday, and Regina and the family dey surprise the father in grand style by buying a brand new car for the father to celebrate am, alongside money to dey fuel the car and a sunglasses. Regina was not there, but her elder sister was there. People come dey wonder say how come Regina no dey there, but she was lying down, whether na for house or na for hospital, na only God na know. She was lying down, dey do video call where she dey talk to the father, dey try sing for the father. People come dey ask say, but see Regina lie down now, how come she no come this particular event? She come send only im mother. My people, make una draw una chair come closer o, make una come hear matter. They say they rush Regina Daniel to hospital inside Asaba, and na one of the reason wey make Regi no come that celebration of the father. Something wey be say they don already plan am, how they wan take do their waka, how they wan take do the celebration in a grand style before the whole scenario start. Now una know say inside on the 27th last week, wey be May 2026, wey be Children's Day, Regina Daniel do carnival for Asaba there. After the carnival, she came out and come and say that she really appreciated people. She loved how they honored her, they celebrated her. That they did not only celebrate the children, they also celebrated her. That she was so overwhelmed. That may God bless them for coming out for her, for doing this and that. So they then buy car, gift her. So they people, as in people wey she no ever believe sef, they even came in attendance to that party. Wey be say the whole of Asaba people confirm and say yes, party was done in a place like this. Now as she finish, una still remember the information wey dey allege say as she wan go back, information still reaching her say Ipa dey around. She say toh, as Ipa dey so, based on the election, as e no favour am, instead dey go one place to the other. She say okay, she no dey go on that particular day, which is the next day of the event, that she's waiting till another day. She reschedule her date, come go book another flight for another day. After booking the same another day, Ipa too no go, based on say, according to the information, say in dey send spy, dey send people. Now no say Regina Daniel bin don tell us before say Ipa dey send spy to dey follow her up and down, but that time we no believe. We dey see am like, are you that special to him? Who are you to him wey him go send spy? Person wey get a lot of things to do with him time, get a lot of things to do with him life. Na your matter na him go come carry for head, come dey send spy for you. Say wetin happen? Who are you? Wey him go say, wey otherwise dey for inside house. As him bin don go Arise TV, go national television, go talk say if one soldier go, soldier come, barrack remain. If him pity men wey marry one wife, say thank God say him get other leg. So what is special about you wey him go come send spy to dey follow you? Whereas that girl was never lying. It was how it is that she was saying it. But because people don dey capitalize and say, na small girl, she can lie, she go wan do anything based on say marriage matter now, you go wan do anything at all wey go favour your narrative, wey go make people believe you more, wey go make people hate the man and love you. So anything wey you fit talk. So that time now the thing dey divided. People no really wan pay attention. People no wan believe. But small altar of truth dey inside wetin Regi dey talk that time based on this information. Now according to wetin come dey sup, for the people wey bin dey wonder say wetin happen wey Regina Daniel no come im papa party my people, they say no be small thing na im sup they invited Regina Daniel. I know say she don talk am say now she don enter production fully, whether na person own whether na her own she don ready, she don enter labour market. Any which way wey you want am, she is ready. if na her own o she dey, if na people own she dey. Na im dey come call Reji o, say make she come for location. They don send script for her, they don send everything wey they need to send for her. Omo, Regina enter Asaba. E enter Asaba finish, e enter location finish. According to the information, I no know that una remember, una know people wey dem dey Asaba, make una come confirm this particular place for Asaba. They call am Grand Hotel for Asaba there. Say na there they wan shoot one of the scenes. You know, say if they dey shoot movies, they dey go location. The location fit be hotel, e fit be hospital scene wey they wan do, e fit be anywhere where they like, na they use. E fit be big mansion, e fit anywhere where they wan use, they go use. But this particular location was in Grand Hotel for Asaba there. Abeg make una confirm am if truly something like that dey, so that they no go come think say maybe we just wan call name of place. So according to the information, she don enter Grand Hotel. They don even start the shoot. Now e come reach the particular scene where Reji go need to slap somebody, like whether na housemaid or something. That kind film na. So she go need to slap somebody, and the person go come say, "Oh God, me," that kind thing. Maybe the person go slap her back, or the person go hold am, the boss go come, something like that. Before you know, na Reji come say she wan slap person. That hand wey she go raise to slap somebody, na Reji wan slap person, na she land for ground. Before they go say Jack Robinson, they don dey try to wake her for where, they dey try to carry her for where she just fall for ground like ogbolo soup. Na they carry her o. Before you know, gidi dey run. Nobody, confusion everywhere. Nobody even know where they go carry her face. Immediately they carry her comot from the hotel, the premises, carry her go outside the gate. Una know as matter dey be sometime na, wey we say in as much as it has to do with life, confusion go dey for person head here and there. Vroom, make we fast forward to wetin come happen. Immediately they comot for outside the gate, as they dey find motor wey they go put her inside, wey they go carry. This one they say my phone, this one they say this one they say call this person, this one say, oh, call the security, this one say, before you know, na the tears carry her comot for outside the arena. Boom, they see Ipa for there. They were even surprised, but they are not surprised 100% because they don't know whether he follow Reji come or you know follow. You know, say one thing with marriage matter, e get as person go take pull mouth, you go see say, maybe they don't settle or they never settle. As they see Ipa for there, they were shocked. Him and his security men and the driver see him stand as if he was already waiting for a particular scenario like as if he already dey wait for something like this. Naimo, before you know, him come dey ask, what happened to her? What happened to her? They confused. So they start dey cry. We don't know. She want to this, she want to that. Now the man say, oh yeah, make security people, make them carry her, put her inside the car, make they do this one, make they do that one, make they rush her go private hospital. Funny enough, the same private hospital where Ipa they always use when in come Asaba, now there they can carry Regina Daniel go. My people, they carry her go the hospital finish. Ipa was there. In security men they there. In driver they there. The people now we carry her go. Now they start they call the Regina mama and in papa. Say make them come o. Say see wetin dey happen. See wetin dey happen. Omo, they say no be small matter o. It can't become a thing of how did Ipa get to know that Regina Daniel enter Asaba, come to shoot, not to come talk of say he know that Grand Hotel where Regina Daniel dey, as if maybe na mission accomplished, or e get wetin in dey do wey dey direct am come a particular place where she dey. She still dey for where she lie down. She never open eye. They don dey work on her, they treat her. Then the people say to, they no know how in take know or anything. No. Now so they start case. They say okay, the mama say she dey road dey come already. Say God no go let anything happen to her daughter. God no go let anything do her daughter. Now how she take run start dey come be that o. Wey make the plan of getting to the father's occasion was not in success. Now Regina Daniel, omo, make una pray for her. Make una pray for her. Make una pray for her. May God no let this man evil plans come to pass. May God no let this man plans towards her come to pass. Now the family, as she was able to open eye, when Mama Regina Daniel just entered there, she see Ipa, she start dey shout, dey rake, dey para, dey rake, say, you, I am going to deal with you. Whatever it is that you have done to my daughter, it will backfire. It will this, it will that. I am going to show you. I will show you. Investigation will go on any moment from now. This one, that one. It's not be small thing, no. Now he make as Regina they dey there. They say to maybe they as they work on her finish when she don't use mouth pursue Ipa. Now she still dey there. Oh God can't do am. Regina can't open eye, can't get herself small. After 1 or 2 treatment, now she say to instead of the one wey be say she no go come go the ceremony, the mama no go make the mama and the sister make dem go gift the father based on say dem don already plan everything keep. Make dem just call the car dealer where when dem go decorate and do everything, carry the car go give the papa. She go dey where she dey. Na im be that essence of that video call wey dem call wey she talk to the father, but she never still get herself. Na her sister and her brother, if una observe, the brother Sammy was not in that occasion. Her sister was not there. Now her elder sister na dey there with the mother to go surprise the father. So you see, now they say make they still dey pray for Regina Daniel. Now then the Regina Daniel family say they are taking up this case with immediate effect. Ned Nwoko investigation is on him already. That how come he got to know that Regina Daniel was in that scene? How did he get to know? And what is he doing in that scene? For the fact that he's trailing the girl down to that place to have known that she's there shows that his hands are not clean. Omo. Now true they talk say money is the root of all evil. No be to marry person, oh, you go get peace of mind at the end of the day. No be to marry, oh, you go get peace of mind. Your life go dey at rest because make it make sense. What is all this? Ipa just dey try all im best, left, right, front, back, and center. He dey try, dey look for wetin no loss. How he wan take get the Regina, whether na by hook or by crook, or wetin be im problem exactly? Why is he there? Serious investigation need to go on. Like Ned Nwoko need to be arrested. I don't know why this family are taking it lightly. I don't know which kind of power wey Ipa gets to dey go away with some kind things. If this information is correct, no be small case. Person never even follow you reach. They don't even dey arrest the person. They do some kind things and things. E can't be say the person they catch am koro in the scene. Una still won't allow the matter slide. E can't be say no be say they just catch and say the person dey okay. This person fainted on the scene where he dey act film. The person fall for ground, lie down like say he won't kpai. Una come dey allow If this information is correct and the Regina Daniel family no take action in this particular one, now he be say they are not ready. Anything where they see, they go use their head carry am. But may nothing happen to Regina Daniel. They need to sound down real hard on Ipa's ear, make him know say nothing must happen to Regina Daniel. Anyhow wey if they won't do one, they need to let her know say anything happen to that girl, her destiny shift or anything, im go down for it. They need to sound down, make him know. E be like say him think say na joke, na people dey joke. My people, make una put Regina Daniel for una prayer. It is one thing for you to know what you are doing. It is another thing for you to stand on what you are doing. Stand on it and be and make you the hammer and they tell the person say you must not do this one. You get wetin you no fit do. You get, because some people don't know the level or the length of where you can go to do some kind things. One need to be extra careful. God abeg. Any evil plans focusing on Regina Daniel, it shall backfire. It must backfire by the special grace of God. Ipa should be arrested and interrogated with immediate effect. I don't know why. God, my people, now the matter, I say make I come drop am for now. What do you guys think? Make una come, make we interact for the comment section. Do well to give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us share like for more like minds and more recommendation. I remain your humble girl Gifted Gist. I'm the bring una later. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.